Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a rolling credits video in Canva. It's really simple, and you don't need to start from scratch. Speaking of Canva, it's a great site for creating graphics and editing videos as well. So, if you're a beginner and don't know much about designing or video editing, Canva is perfect for you. Once you create an account in Canva, you need to go to the main interface. Next, go to the search and type in Rolling Credits. Search it and you'll see many template options pop up. Just explore them, see which ones fit your needs, and choose the one you like to customize. For now, these are paid templates, so this one looks good. I'll just customize it. And now you can edit anything you want. For example, if you want to change the text, then just double-click on it and you'll be able to edit anything. If you want to change the font of the text, simply select the text, then go there and select a font. You can also apply the font to all the text at once. So let's play to see how it looks. Yeah, you can just play around and see how it works. You're ready to go! So this is how you can create rolling credits in Canva. If you have any confusion about this video, just comment below. I will be answering all your questions. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video.